Hello guys, hope you're fine. Hope you're having a lovely day. So today I'm cooking cow's meat. The recipe is very simple. I usually make this in case I'm in a hurry and in case I don't want so many ingredients in my meat. It's a very simple recipe and easy to do. So first and foremost, wash your meat clean. You know, meat is always like not so clean. You may buy it when it looks clean, but in actual sense it's not clean. So wash it and then finely chop it, just like the way I'm doing it. So in case you want to do a quick beef stew and you don't have like so many ingredients, or in case you're in a hurry, this will do for you. So for the fresh ingredients, I'm going to use leeks, red onions, tomatoes, green capsicum, fresh rosemary, and carrots. So I'm using the leeks in this recipe because they have a very strong flavor to them. In case you don't have them, you can use spring onions, but trust me, they are more flavorful than the spring onions, so you won't have like the same taste that I would be having. And of course, green capsicum. I love green peppers so much, especially in my soups. Yeah, they really have a very good flavor. And chop your carrots into very small pieces because we want them to cook through. I don't know what you guys like to eat your meat with, but personally I like rice with meat, and to be specific, boiled rice. I really like it. Boiled rice with meat, it's very good. I can also do potatoes or steamed sweet potatoes. I can do steamed green bananas. Yeah, that is me. I don't know what you guys like. So what you're going to do, you're going to first fry the meat. Place it in a pan that has oil, and make sure your oil has been like heating for some time, and then just add the meat to the pan and you're going to fry it until it browns. Just give your meat a stir and just keep turning it over because we don't want the meat to burn, and I want to brown like all the sides of the meat. If you're here for the first time, I would like to welcome you to my kitchen by Nana. Please take your seats and let's enjoy cooking together. And thank you for joining us today. Hope you click the subscribe button in case you haven't yet subscribed. We enjoy cooking together here. It's really fun and of course educational and informative, because I really take time like to explain every single step that I do take. So the meat has been cooking for some time now. As you can see, like most of the water has evaporated. You have to fry until all of the water like evaporates, because we are going to like fry it. So this is how it looks like. Brown it and then don't make it too dry. Season with some salt and black pepper. In case you don't have black pepper, you can just use white pepper, but of course black pepper is better for me. That is what I can say. And just keep on frying the meat. Make sure it doesn't burn, because if it burns you won't get this same flavor and of course the same taste that I got. So just add your red onions to the pan and we're going to fry them shortly for about 1 minute, because what we need is we just need them to fry a little bit. We don't want them to burn. Then add your leeks. Nothing is as good as cooking something delicious and tasty for your family or even your friends or even your clients, by the way. So my tip for delicious food is love. when you cook with your heart, when you cook with love, the food comes out very tasty. When you cook with your hands, things easily go wrong, but when you give it your all and your heart, people will be very happy, people will be very satisfied, of course, after having that nice delicious food with a very nice aroma. Trust me, it feels good when people like praise your food. So my tip for you guys is to cook your food with love. I know some friends of mine who eat this meat like right away, right now, because first of all, we've already seasoned it and it's now brown, so they would think it's ready. Yeah, but anyway, let's just add in our carrots and fry for a few seconds, and then add the tomatoes. Yeah, I'm using fresh tomatoes, 3 fresh ones, medium size. And for the ingredients that I've used, the fresh ones and the dry ones that I'm going to use, I'm going to write everything for you down below in the description box. I'm also going to leave for you links of different cow's milk videos that I've made before, and other videos that may be connected to this, and in case of the measurements and everything about this specific video, I'm going to just write it for you. I'm going to write everything, so check out the description box for everything. And in case of any comments about this specific video, please write them down below in the comment section. So just fry it shortly. I don't want the tomatoes ready, I just need them to be a bit soft. Then add the dry ingredients, and for the dry ingredients, I'm going to be using 1 teaspoon of beef curry powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of paprika. So I'm using those ones for the dry ingredients. I also used salt, if you remember. I seasoned with salt and black pepper, and of course I'm going to add in a little bit salt so that we have tasty soup. So I'm going to be frying the meat shortly for about 4 minutes, and then I'll be adding water to it because we need soup. My apologies, I forgot to shoot the clip where I added the fresh rosemary to our pan, but as you can see, it's right there and this is there, so I added rosemary. Don't forget that. It adds a nice aroma and also flavor to this stew. So just add the water to the pan, and I'm adding according to the people that are at home right now. So I'm going to let it cook for over 20 minutes, then I'll let it simmer on low heat for another 20 minutes. And yes, we shall have our delicious meat. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.